how to buy $1 token. How to buy $1 token, the my last dollar CTL token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, make sure to take a look on their X accounts. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by going to the screen and find this token. So as you can see, this token, this is their information. As you can see, you may see this icon, locked icon. So this means that the 99% of liquidity is locked. That means it's your investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token is came under the Solana network. Now, the best wallet to buy this kind of token is by using the Phantom wallet. Now go here and like that, copy the token address and go to Phantom wallet. Now after that, you can see click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now after that, click here and now paste the token address to be able to find it. Just click on it, and as you can see, enter how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. And here select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information from here. Now after you click on swap, they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to complete the buy process. Now after that, if you find any issue or you face any issue on your buy process, just go back here and switch the slip page to be able to complete the buy process without any issue. So this is how to buy the $1 token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.